TFNN Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Thursday. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we have markets in positive territory. Seems to be the story to begin every day with this week. Dow futures up 131 points, trading 26,593, approaching all-time highs. Maybe we'll hit that level today. S&P futures up 12 points, trading at 29.27. NASDAQ futures up 47 points, or about 0.6%, trading at 75.73. Got some action in oil this morning. Got some action on the fundamental sector. We'll start things off this morning. Weekly jobless claims coming in at 201,000. Lowest level since November of 1969, and beating estimates a bit. Estimates ranging in between about 204,000 to 210,000. Still, fundamentally, this economy marches on, strength across the board. With that in mind, let's take a look at the futures markets. We'll start things off with the Dow 30. Quite an acceleration overnight. About 4:35 in the morning, we're trading at 26,462. We're now 130 Dow points above that level, trading 26,592. NASDAQ 100. Trading at 75.71, quite an acceleration we saw from the overnight session. We're up about 60 to almost 70 NASDAQ 100 points. S&P 500, pretty similar story across the board, across all the major indices. S&P's overnight trading at about 29.13. We're now a solid 13 S&P points above that level. You got crude oil bouncing around a bit this morning. President Trump tweeting out against OPEC and their monopolistic tendencies. You have oil pulling back a bit, currently trading at $70.80. And gold trading above 1210, gold trading at 1211.87, and we'll finish it up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking for a 6,500 price tag, not quite there yet, 64.22 in the price of Bitcoin. In terms of what else happening across the market, if you were following the market at all yesterday, you may have heard about Tilray, up almost 100% at one point before pulling back pretty dramatically towards the end of the day. Tilray, one of the cannabis stocks, reaching more than $20 billion stock market valuation in terms of capitalization yesterday. That, folks, more than about half of the S&P companies. There's a look, reaching 300 on the dot yesterday before pulling back to almost 150. Looking to open around 227 today. Quite a number. And Under Armour checking it out as well, looking to pop a bit, 1728. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great Thursday, everybody.